I got my dad a Bose 5 something soundbar, and I'm going to print him brackets so I can mount this on the wall for him. So when every single time he tries to turn it on, the signal's clear, so he can just turn it on where he's in his bed instead of getting up off his ass and turning it on.
Alright, so today I'm going to be making a Bose holder for my dad's Bose soundbar. So I'm going to be creating a center rectangle. This is going to be 30. This is going to be 94. Like that. Alright, and then I have it extrude by 10. Like that. Alright. Now I have to create a sketch on here and then 2 rectangle and then like that. No, not that. This would be 10. This is optional. Oh my gosh, dude. There you go. So that has to be 10. This has to be 10. And then you make that. Let's make this. How do we make this 15? We're going to make this 10 because it's interfering in the way. We have to have it like that. Make it 10. You have to have it like that. And then now you have to go right here. That, alright. It has to be like that, or, you know. Alright, and then like that. And then I'm going to create that 80, 84. And then, so it's going to be like, no wait, let's make this, right, no, like that, 10, 74, like that, and then we have it like that, edit sketch, or create sketch, and then, or make, oh no, wait, I'm doing this all wrong right now, wait, finish sketch, and then we have that, midplane, these right here like that, create this sketch like that, create a line like that. Oh my god, I keep creating a freaking fit point spleen. A fit point spleen. Yeah, I hate that. Yeah, I always do that. Oh my god, and I always do that too. I keep forgetting not to. I keep forgetting to freaking close it. Close it off. Close. Okay. Oh my god, dude, just close. And I had the freaking fifth point spline, dude. Alright, like that. Finish sketch. Symmetrical, and then that will be 2.5. 2.5, and then this will be font. And then I create the sketch right there, and I center dynamic that circle or whatever, and then I make it 4.5, and I do that. And then I create. Oh my god! There we go. And then and then I'm going to create the sketch right there, and I'm going to make a big center dynamic circle right there, like that, to make it less printing time because there's no use for that. So that's how the finished product looks like. And now I'm gonna go to Repetier host, export it, and export it. Yeah, export it, and then I'm gonna create 2 of them. Or no, wait, I'm gonna create 2 of them. Wait. I'll delete that. We don't need that. It's fine. And then I'm gonna create 2 of them and export it, and then print it on my 3D printer.
So they're done printing, and as you can see, look how round that is. Something happened to it, but next time, instead of printing it like it was like that and then like that, I have to print it like an actual square like this. Next time I'll have to probably, or if there's a next time, I'm probably gonna pre-print a new one, or maybe not, I don't know, but look at that round edge. I have to, because when I was, the bed temperature was really low. It was at like 74 when it was when the max was 90. We had it. I had it at 90 for the max, and it went to 74. So I'm gonna have to recalibrate this thing. And dude, I don't know why it's so round. Like, look at that. This is round. Oh my gosh! But let's hope it works. Cause look how round that is. Like, whew. I put the hairspray on the thing just so it sticks on there, so it doesn't peel up like what this happened. So
okay, so I put my holders on. I got my file of the holders, put in repetier host. Now I have to make this 90, so it's like that. I need to configuration this, or yeah, like that, and I need to go to filament, and I need to do print temperature to 10. I need to bump it up 10. Save it, close it, and then I slice. And that's going to be 1 hour 49 minutes. And so now now we have to hope it's not all crappy and round.
alright, so I printed my other bracket because the other ones came out like crap. So this is what it looks like. Look at, there's no curved edges or anything. So I'm gonna print another one and see how it goes. Alright. Okay, so this is my other piece. Now I have 2. I have this one and this one. They're perfect. At least there's some welding right there. Right there, there's some welding. And there's some welding on this one. Wait, where is it at? I saw some welding on this one, like right there. It doesn't really matter. You can barely see it. This one welded more, and this one has the supports. I took off the supports on the other one, and this one has supports, and this is what it looks like when you build it with supports. Because I usually take them off anyways, but that's what it looks like with the supports on. So I got my other finished piece. Alright, so I'm using GIMP because this is the only thing this is the only picture I can, this is the only thing I can open the picture with. Alright, so this is the Bose speaker I got my dad for Christmas, okay? So, as you can see, the screw right there, or I blocked it, but there's a screw right there. As you can see, there's another screw right here. So I screwed it in the brackets. The screws fit perfectly. I think it was called like, I forgot what they're called, but I used them, and then I drilled a hole into the wall, and then I used them, I hammered in, and then I used a screw to screw it in, the brackets in. So this bracket fits, these brackets fit perfectly, and has enough space for the wires to come through. As you can see, this is a wire right here. So it has enough space for the wire to come through. So my dad liked it really well because it used to be like down here area, down there, and my mom's perfumes was down here. So the signal would cut off because there would be a there would be like a green dot right here every single time. You turn it on, there would be like a green dot that turns on. So the perfume was blocking the signal, so he had to get up and he had to turn it on. So that's the reason why he wanted me to print brackets for him, so he can so it can mount up on the wall, so the perfume bottles are not in the way. So if you like more videos like these, then please like and subscribe, comment down below, and be independent.